Yo, welcome guys and girls. Do women come here? I don't know. So, start off, I'm just some guy on YouTube, so don't take anything I say as personal financial advice. I have a lot of folks requesting an update, and I have to admit that things have not been going so well, so I put it off because I didn't want to share bad news. And then, after thinking about it more, I realized that if I'm going to share the positive side of being a day trader, I have to show the bad as well. So, here we go. I did want to make this video last week, but I did not. So let's start with what happened last week. I got the opportunity to watch my account fall below $30,000. Sorry, $30,000, and it was really hard for me to not get upset and let it ruin my day, if not my whole month. Losing that much was a big deal for me for multiple reasons. Most obvious is that that's maybe $90,000 lower than what I had a few months ago. But another reason is it's tax day is also coming up in 2 weeks on July 15th. And I did a stupid by not setting aside some of last year's profits to pay for my taxes. Which should be about $20,000 that I owe the IRS. And with those numbers, I would have less than $10,000 in my account. And for those who don't know, I've been labeled as what's called a pattern day trader. And there is a PDT rule that I must keep more than $25,000 in my account. And also I'm trying to live off of my trading, so I don't have to risk getting a normal job and getting a shitty boss again. I'm usually pretty good at keeping my cool in this scenario. I know getting emotional on bad days and overly excited on the good days tends to lead to bad decisions and trading fails, and I've taught myself to keep my emotions in check. I only let myself be sad for 5 minutes, and then I decided the rest of my day was going to be good and happy. So one of the reasons I lost so much is I did something really dumb. After months of discipline, I got greedy, and it was nearing the end of the second quarter, towards the end of June, and I felt there was going to be a lot of selling pressure in the markets. I had a feeling in my gut that Tesla would go down, and without much basis, I bought $30,000 worth of Tesla put options, thinking that the stock price was due to go down from the $950 per share it was trading at. Why did I even break my rules and bet against Tesla? I don't know, but I held those option contracts over the weekend, and I turned my $30,000 investment into a mere $5,000. And I've made a lot of bad trades since the quarantine started. Another one of them was buying S&P put options, and for some reason, unbeknownst to me, the S&P just keeps going up, and it's now nearing an all-time high again. I finally realized that I needed to stop trying to force the market to go in my favor and only make trades when I have an edge. When I have a good reason to, a catalyst of some sort. Back to the way that I used to trade when I had a lot of success, albeit maybe with a little less risk. I had a lot of success in the past with a lot less money and a hell of a lot less knowledge. So I have a lot of hope for my future. So please wish me well. Help me out if you can. I see a lot of people asking for WeBull referrals. So if for whatever reason you haven't made an account to get some of the free shares, I'll throw in a link in my description. Anyway, today is July 2nd, 2020, and Tesla has just announced Q2 delivery numbers, and I wanted to talk about that as well, but this video is kind of dragging on, so I'll just go ahead and make that a separate one. Thanks for watching all the way to the end, and see you in the next one.